Welcome to Gourmet. Delicious recipes, simple steps. Subscribe now, never miss a bite.
Need a bold, crowd-pleasing dip without the fuss? This easy Jalapeno Popper Dip is creamy, spicy, and ready in under 30 minutes. Start with room-temperature cream cheese. This is your smooth, flavorful base. Blend in Greek yogurt and mayo for a lighter, tangy kick. Add chopped fresh jalapeños for heat, canned for consistency. Mix in sharp cheddar and Monterey Jack for that perfect cheese pull. For smoky depth, use turkey bacon or smoked beef. Simple and delicious. Spread the mix into a ceramic baking dish. Top with more cheese, a sprinkle of turkey bacon or scallions, and pop it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until golden and bubbly. Broil briefly for that irresistible crust, but don't burn it. Serve hot with veggie sticks or toasted pita. One dip, endless smiles. Your new signature appetizer, just flavor.
Thanks for watching. Your support means the world.